Morning world, how you doing? Yesterday was the terrible weather in Bali everywhere. There was heavy rain and floods and everything. So today is beautiful Sunday, actually weekday morning in Tamlingan in Sanur. I'm gonna have a little spin around. I wanna show you full entire street today in less than 8 minutes, because if I wanna walk around I will need around 1 hour, but I'm gonna try to make it in 8 minutes. I hope so. You're gonna enjoy. It's been a while when I was vlogging that driving style last time, so enjoy. So this is the corner of Tamlingan Street in Sanur. Essentially, I would like to show you today as much as possible. From the Sanur, from the Tamlingan Street, it's almost not possible for me to walk because it's very hot at morning, and overall it's pretty far, so the video will be very long. And I know you guys now have not that much time to watching videos, so I want to show you a little bit by driving around since the beginning till the end of the Tamlingan road in Sanur today. It's about 9:30 in the morning, so overall it was rainy last night, very badly, very heavy. There was even flood somewhere in some points in Tamlingan and other parts of Sanur, and you could see pictures on the Instagram. Anyway, this is the old Ryoshi and some cafes everywhere around. Some of them, they are opening up, like here where it was Salon de Ball, there will be the Sala Bistro, and of course everywhere here around there are access to the beaches. Here is the new park, what I was mentioning previously during the pandemic times. They only open one restaurant currently over here, but and this is the entrance to the Hyatt hotel. So some people walking around time to time. As you can see, it's really not that bad. Some taxi drivers, bluebirds waiting for you as well. And overall situation looks like this one in Sanur today. Also on the other side is the Andas Hotel for everyone who are interested to staying in Andas, if you don't wanna have a stay in Hyatt. Also so many taxi drivers, no shortage of the bluebirds in Sanur. Here we go, this is the entrance to the Andas over here, and then there is some residential area over on the right, on the left actually, and this is like a main part of the Tamlingan Street. For everyone who are asking me for gym, the Paradise Gym here, I heard it's nice. My friend is coming here every day. I'm not currently into gym, not at the moment, so I cannot tell you honestly, but this one is probably one of the best gyms in Sanur. Also Hyatt Hotel have a nice gym, but it's not so big. It's very small, but nice looking and very modern and very clean, of course. And then here go, like, this is the barber where I always coming in case if you need the haircut, or maybe the spa, the Feeper shop, and some other shops, boutiques. Seems like Sanur at morning is not that sleepy. So many new restaurants gonna be established in the very near future. This is the bank where you can withdraw 3 million rupiah at the same time. Permata Bank, keep it in mind, it's in this part of Sanur, because some people are asking, because some ATMs have a limit only to 1.2 million, others want 2 million, but this one have a 3 million, so it's really not so bad. There is the 101 now currently here next to ex-Hardy's Artasadana market, and as you can see some tourists are everywhere around, which is really not that bad. And we are heading into direction of Bali Kopi kiosk. Also somebody is sitting inside, not that bad. Overall situation in Jalan Tamlingan. Today quick update, only driving from Tamlingan Street, because yesterday it was very bad weather, couldn't handle the video. It was like just too hard to make it, so also have some things to do. As you can see, some tourists walking, passing by time to time, really not that bad. There is some another new cafes here, and this is the place where I'm usually going for breakfast, the Bread Basket here, highly recommended place to enjoy if you like the bread. There's some new Indomarets now, there will be the brand new places for rent shortly. So Sanur is actually developing pretty alright. So many new things coming in. Many of you probably asked me about the mall, which mall is at the front of this. Just wait a second. I'm gonna come back for that. Most of the rest on this one, Lost Ship will be something new. Wicked Parrot, all of these places are open, but at afternoon for dinner time or lunch time. Sanur also have a Starbucks in case if you are interested about the stuff like this one. It's just really not that bad. Not that bad for the small town of Sanur. It's not as that busy as I was hoping. That's probably because of yesterday was raining, and also it's beginning of the rain season already, the quiet and wet season. It's called quiet, wet or rainy season, depends how you call it. The entrance to the Tanjung Sari Hotel, also very legendary place in Sanur, one of the first hotels by the beach in Sanur. Well, that's how it looks like. Really not that bad, but also cozy. I could say maybe as it's not quiet, but definitely it's cozy. So here we go. Also Respati Hotel is here, the Nest, and this is already the controversial part of Sanur. There is construction site. They're gonna make a mall like an Icon Bali, similar name like Icon Siam in Bangkok, by the way. Probably the same developer or same owner, I could say, because the Icon, I think it's reserved trademark, so must be the same like in Bangkok. Pretty fancy mall. If they're gonna ever finish it, its construction was postponed, but they currently start again, so let's see. I don't know more details about the mall. Probably I will updating you regularly. Also on the other side, where was the Grand Ina and the golf course, that's the construction of the International Hospital in Bali. So Sanur in the next few years, it's gonna be totally different than it's now. It's gonna be definitely very expensive and very busy, guys, so keep it in mind. Meanwhile, you can still enjoy Sanur peacefully and quiet or sleepy or cozy, whatever you call it, how it is. So enjoy until still it's like this one. But as you can see, some people are here. Actually, more and more international visitors coming to Sanur. That's for sure, without any doubts. This is the night market or morning market, Pasar Sindu market. These bars are only open for the night drinks. And well, this is nearly end of the Tamblingan Street. But if I'm already here, I wanna show you till the very end, which is the back to end of the street. This is less popular already through the tourists, more into expats. There's less hotels everywhere around, but you can find some Australian bars, some Dutch restaurant, and so on. So yeah, and more like visa agents, some cosmetics and such a shop, stuff like this. Oh, here we go. This is the Dutch restaurant for everyone. Dutch followers, guys. Here we go. Dutch snacks and the money changer, stuff like this one, guys. And then at the front there will be already construction of the brand new hospital, International Hospital in Bali in the future, in the next 10 years, something like that. And of course, if you are missing some fast food here in the corner, you can find, of course, McDonald's for everyone who are missing stuff like this one. It's also very tough to pass the road over here because of the motorbikes making the traffic always like that. Actually, the biggest traffic makers in Indonesia and Bali, they are motorbikes. But McDonald's is here. Thank you for listening. I will see you tomorrow.